Have you ever felt lonely or isolated? In a digital society, it is easy to feel that way as relationships move from the real world into digital space. But even in our real world, there is one spot that is so isolated that it was nicknamed by scientists as the loneliest place in the world. Follow our journey to that place and realize what loneliness really means. It is no surprise that there are places on Earth that are further away from other busier places and are therefore considered as lonelier. Just take the inhabited island of Tristan da Cunha in the South Atlantic, which is more than 1,250 miles away from the nearest inhabited island, St. Helena, or even more than 1,500 miles away from the nearest mainland in South Africa. Only the uninhabited Norwegian Bouvet Island in the South Atlantic is even more lonely. Its next inhabited island is Tristan da Cunha, and 1,370 miles away. The closest mainland in South Africa is even more than 1,550 miles away. However, there is one place in the world that is even more remote in the Pacific Ocean. Although there is no land mass there, but with a distance of 1,670 miles to the nearest mainland, this place can be seen as the loneliest spot on our planet and is also known as Point Nemo. The place is named after the Latin word for nobody and is an allusion to Captain Nemo from Jules Verne's famous work. If you wanted to travel to that place, it would take you 15 days, 10 hours and 37 minutes by using the fastest boat ever built. When using your own sailboat, you might reach the most remote point in the world within a month, but this would require good winds. By plane, you could reach Point Nemo in less than 10 hours, but if you are really in a hurry to visit that place, you have to jump out of the International Space Station because whenever the ISS is flying over, it is closer to Point Nemo than any other mainland or island on Earth. But to be honest, there are actually no commercial ways to get to Point Nemo, as by definition, it is the most remote point in the world. And even if you would travel there, you would find absolutely nothing. There is no anchored marker or something similar, but only the vast expanses of open ocean. However, when visiting Point Nemo, you could at least be proud to be at a place that is harder to reach than any other spot. But we wouldn't recommend that. We hope you liked this video and would appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up for more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel or visit onlyfunfacts.com for even more interesting facts and stories.